This is my clap detector project. It uses a piezo buzzer, an RGB LED, a sound detector, a motor driver, and a motor. What it does is it senses for 2 claps, and when it hears them, it will go into a loop, which you can make it do whatever you like, but I have it set an LED to purple and make a motor run and play a little jingle out of the piezo. Now on to the program analysis. This program has components from multiple Arduino tutorials, such as driving a motor and using tone library. At the top, I set a few constant variables to represent the pins on the Arduino board, such as the piezo and LEDs. Below that, we have the setup loop, where we initialize the pins as inputs and outputs, as well as the prints. This is the main loop, where the program checks the sound value from the sound detector until it hears a decibel value that is higher than 200. This is achieved with a close-up clap to the hands. When this happens, it goes into a for loop, setting the LED to green and waiting for 0.75 seconds to hear another clap. When it does, it will go into another loop, the final loop, where it sets the LED to purple and makes the piezo play a song and turns the motor on to simulate a door being unlocked. The serial printout prints out the value that the soundboard is hearing, and if it hears the right amount of sound, it will go into the loop and print in the loop. If it hears the second clap, it'll print lock loop, which is basically the final loop where you lock the door or whatever it may be. And last but certainly not least, the fritzing file. We have a schematic and pictorial view that allow you to see and picture the circuit that I'm using in a more clean and easy to understand way if you ever wish to make this yourself. And the schematic will allow you to understand the flow of current and whatever else you might want to get in an engineering standpoint.